Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be opening the Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Prismatic Evolutions deck. 10 additional cards. Let's see what I got. Okay, starting off we got a Dracloak. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then we have a Duraludon. I also don't know if I'm saying that right. Pupitar, maybe? Okay, and then we have a Bronzor. That there. Okay, we got some trainers. We have a Janine's Secret Art, a bug catching set. Let's see, a Pyroar. That one looks fun. Let's see, Dudon Sparse. Shiny, shiny. And then we have a Sea King. And let's see, oh, we have a Flareon. Sorry, what's one of my personal favorites from my childhood. And a Basic Energy. Okay, so let me put these all together really quick to show you one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's fan it out. Okay guys, and comment down below if I got anything good. I don't think you can really see it like this, so I don't know, I'll just do it really quick one more time. Okay, bye.